In this video, I will show you how to get paid $90 for every video you watch, and if you are looking for a simple and affordable way to increase your income, this guide is 100% free. First, we go to Twitch.tv, a platform of a collection of videos and channels that you can enjoy for free. Most of these videos revolve around gaming, and that's exactly where we are going to be reviewing them by going straight to Twitch to make money online. Pay attention to the browse button at the top of the page. This button allows you to explore different categories, discover the wide collection of videos available on this platform. Now focus your attention on the Fortnite category, as it is one of the most popular games. Sections followed by over 89 million fans browse through this category to discover the treasure trove of videos that offer multiple viewing and earning opportunities. To impress yourself in the fascinating world of Fortnite video where a boy, we were a girly consume content from skill games. You'll discover and creators tackles exciting gameplay strategies and commentary provided by the streams. Your engagement as an audience member forms the foundation of your monetization investment on Twitch. Now let's move on to the next exciting phase of your online income journey, to OKE.io, a user-friendly site designed to help you earn money exclusively by watching the video with a simple process. And our guide will be well on your way to making extra income. Well, you start by signing up for a free account that gives you access to a wide range of opportunities once you've successfully signed up for your account. The unique feature of this site that include shortening each URL link. For example, you can easily copy a video link from Twitch and paste it here and shorten it with a simple click. This shortened link will become your monetization. It rewards you for every click on it. Your shortened link will have a payout amount that varies based on the visitor's country. For example, a click from Germany might earn you $4, netting you an opportunity that people from all over the world are using this method to make money online. And some of them are even rated at thousands of dollars per day. It has different payment methods like PayPal, Visa, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. Choices ensures a seamless and convenient way to receive your hard-earned money. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Simply click on the sign up button that allows you to create your account without any initial investment. During the registration process, provide your preferred username, email address to confirm your password, and complete the first step of bot verification. After successful registration, log into your newly created account to access your personal dashboard. In this dashboard, you will discover valuable statistics, including the number of clicks on your link and your income with OKE.io. With this insight, your access to online income becomes an accessible and seamless process. That your active participation in this platform, as well as The use of shortened link will lead to tangible financial rewards, effectively turning your leisure time into a profitable investment. There is a lot of potential in OKE, and we open an opportunity to improve your finances while you enjoy effortless earning to ease your journey to earn while enjoying your favorite game. We have Harper Comfort. And follow the ready to edit scripts to get started in this simple step. Start by introduction the captivating nature of Fortnite by highlighting its action, battles, strategy, gameplay, countless adventures that have captivated gamers around the world. It will be available to you with a different amount based on the country of the visitor. Share your favorite video with a diverse audience from around the world. The thrill of watching action games and amazing moments is now complemented by the potential to earn money through your passion for gaming. Immerse yourself in the world of gaming by exploring. Take it a step further. Forums.pcgamers.com lively community is popular from serves as a haven for gamers all walks of life, and Fortnite use this thriving community as a prominent topic among its diverse discussions to skyrocket your monetization potential. Upgrade a new one that is now armed. Take the opportunity to share your short link with from users with the ease of the script we've created by participating in discussions and sharing insights and showing off your passion for Fortnite. Share your short links with other gamers while you help the society in a meaningful way. Introduction and engaging world. Fortnite videos are customized to engage community member through your carefully created template act as a gateway to your exciting content. Now every click on your Forums link has the potential to earn money, creating a win-win situation for both of you and curious viewers. By tapping into the Forums vast user base, you unlock a whole new level of exposure for your Fortnite videos that harness the power of a community-based interaction where like-minded gamers come together to share their passion and discover interesting content. And audience eagerly awaiting your latest Fortnite video adventures and divining into this thriving gaming community. Share your links and watch your earnings grow as you enjoy in the world of online video watching.